All right, this is Liberty stock number 50927. It's an Aronson, 9,000 pound, geared elevation, power rotate, power tilt welding positioner, model GE90A. Okay.
Let's walk on through it. Pick a side, which way you want to go here? I got controls on the other side, segment levers here with the gear. We can open the door on this side.
Let's go open the door first.
Yeah, there we go. All right. Back side, showing a couple of the motors. See them up in there.
Couple of motors,
Yep.
couple of posts. Okay, good.
You good?
Yep.
Yep. It's positioner, so. You got that? Yeah. Main controls there.
Hang on. Okay, you were saying.
Those three words. Main controls here.
Yes.
I'm done. There
Okay.
it is.
All right.
Electric panel, of course. Yeah. And the table. That's about it. Just show some of the gearing here, and circuitry works. Over travel switches. I mean, yeah. You can turn it on. Watch it through.
There's like no backlash from the table.
Yeah, I think we're okay there. Actually, yeah. Yeah, minimal. 1/8 inch, if that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Okay.
So tilt first. Tilt flat is on this box. Speed control for rotation is on this box. With the secondary start-stop switch, in case you're walking around, you could use this one. Otherwise, it works off the panel here. That's forward reverse for rotation with off in the middle. And this is speed for rotation with off on the side. Again, because it's got the 40-foot cord on it. Flat and tilt first. And I forgot I was on the switch. Let's go the other way. Tilt. Come on back. And we can leave it right there, really, for when we rotate it. Up and down is right here. Go off and on. This guy here. All four of them. Actually, this thing goes really high. I mean, it gets up there. And I don't know if we've got the micro switch for the down limit, so I'm not going to go all the way down on it. But for right now, let me see if I can on rotation, and that turns on the drive. So this is already on. We got clearance there? There's nothing to do.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, okay. Maybe go up front and see it. I'll slow it down. Speed it up. Tilt a little bit more. And go the other way. And that's everything this machine does.
All right, good enough.
Okay.